Hello, everybody, and welcome to part 2 of this 3-part series. In this series, we are making the age calculator application, where we calculate someone's age when they give us their birth month, day, and year. So, here we go. So first off, we'll just code the exit button. Just easy, close. Simple, done. We coded a button, episode over. So yeah, you get to that view by double clicking the exit button and just typing in close with open parentheses, close parentheses. It means it's a function, and yeah. So I can actually remember the day. So we're actually gonna save this and close solution. So yeah, you guys get to see my ignore that. So yeah, this is what I have, 3/21/85. Okay. So yeah, if I run it and say like, okay, my birthday is 9/5, 2005 or something, and say, hey, you're 12 years old. And if I put it in the 4th, it'll say, happy 13th birthday. And then it'll say here too. Oh, I forgot to put this label up here. Yeah. So, okay. 3/21/85. I guess I could, yeah, this is the code we'll be writing. I know it looks a little intimidating, but, it makes sense. Once you start writing it, it'll make sense. So, okay. So, age calculator. Let's go and add that label quick. I'll add it there. So, we want this to be LBL date. And let's do 8/88/8888 for now. And we hate this thing, so we'll just do that. And we'll make it white so you can actually read it. And you know what, let's make it a little bigger. Let's go 10. There we go. So everything's all set up now. Let's just save it quick. Alright, the OK button. This is where all that code was. So I actually sent myself an email. And let's see here. So first we're going to create some variables. First variable, you type dim, and it's going to be today date, and this is important, put as date. And then we go dim birth date as date. Make sure you put the as date, otherwise it might not be right. So then you have to create another variable, birthday. You don't have to put the as date, actually don't. And then dim birth month, dim birth year, and dim years alive. So there we go. We just created all of our variables. Next, birth, we're going to assign these variables to the text box text. So birthday equals todayDate.text. Birth month equals txt month.text. And birth year is txt year.text. And then we have to convert these into strings. This is going to seem kind of weird, but just bear with me here. So birthday dot toString, parenthesis, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. And then same for birth month dot toString, or I guess you can just hit enter. And then birth year dot toString. Right, so next we get to create if statements. Woo! So if is numeric, so what we're doing is we're testing to see if they're numbers, or if it's all numbers, and if there is a letter, then it will throw an error code. So if numeric is numeric, open parentheses, birthday, close parentheses, and is numeric, birth month, and is numeric, birth year, then hit enter, and this will come up. So create a couple spaces, and else message box dot show open parentheses, please enter a number, comma, quotations, invalid entry, and then comma, message box buttons dot okay, comma, message box icon dot error. And there we go. So pretty much what we're doing is we are having message box come up, please enter number, invalid entry, and then we're giving that message box the OK button and the error icon. So now we need to do txt month.text is equal to 3, quotations 3. Keep hitting all these extra buttons. txtDay.text is equal to 21, and txtYear.text is equal to what is it, 1985, not 58. And txtmonth.focus and txtmonth.select all. And there we go. So we just created the else statement to this if. So now inside this if statement, so if there are numbers, then we want to subtract 1. So birth year minus equals 1. So pretty much what this is doing is we're pretty much doing birth year equals birth year minus 1. So this minus equals is just like a shortcut to writing all of this. So we actually don't want that. We want birth month. Yeah, I didn't figure it would let me do that. Birth month minus equals 1. You'll see where I'm doing this in a second. And birthday minus equals 1. Minus equals 1. I really cannot type today. Should not be doing a tutorial. So next, this is important. Today date equals now. So we're setting today's date to right now. And that is this variable as date, we're setting that date to now. So if we save it and run it, nothing really should happen. See it focused. 5/5/19 98. Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, my number pad was off. 5/5/1998. Enter. Okay. Nothing happens. So, however, if we put a letter in, it'll come up invalid entry with the error. Please enter a number. Okay. So there you go. An exit button works. Yay. So for this example, what we're going to do is in the text for this text box, we're going to do 21 and then 1985. And for this, the example is going to be, we're going to write example, was it June, February, March 21st, 1985. Enter, and select this, and center it in the form. So now, if we quick save it and run it, this comes up, and so people know, instead of writing, March 21st, 1985, you would just put 3/21/85. So, that is it for this part. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the third and final part in this tutorial to make this all come together. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.